So my name is Kay Westmoreland. I'm the Conscious Accountant, and I run an accounting practice and coaching practice out of Milton Keynes. And I bought the Check-in Journal just after it was published a year ago and not done anything with it. And I've been trying to get to the workshop for the last year. Finally got here today with two friends, which is great. So we can work on it as a team. And it's been an amazing process of looking at exactly where we want to go in our business and in our personal life. And we've been taught a whole load of tools, many which I've come across before, but it's just the whole structure of the journal. It's going to really streamline the whole process, get us really present to what we actually want in life, both personally and in business, and then take us on a journey over the next year to actually fill on in the journal and then hold each other to account for actually delivering on our dreams and goals. Brilliant process. Thank you. So this would apply to anybody in business to actually look at what they want to achieve, create a whole structure around their purpose, their vision, their goals, their dreams, and how that you actually measure that in business. So it would apply from a sole trader right through to a corporate. And there'll be people I'm going to speak to and recommend that they look at this, because for what it creates in a team, it creates a whole different culture at work, and it will provide real value for any organisation.